Welcome back to Auto Explorer, your go-to channel for the latest in the automotive world. Today, we take an in-depth look at the all-new 2025 Volvo XC90, a luxury SUV that combines Scandinavian elegance with cutting-edge technology. In this video, we'll focus entirely on its exterior, from design evolution to aerodynamic performance. So, buckle up and let's dive in. The 2025 Volvo XC90 carries forward Volvo's signature minimalist design language but with a more aggressive and futuristic appeal. The front fascia is dominated by a redesigned chrome-infused grille, featuring the iconic Volvo Iron Mark badge at its center. The new LED headlights boast Volvo's signature Thor's hammer design but now come with enhanced pixel technology for improved illumination. Moving to the side profile, the XC90 exudes sophistication with the sculpted body, sharp character lines, and a more aerodynamic stance. The large 21-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels add a bold presence, while the frameless ORVMs and flush door handles enhance both aesthetics and aerodynamics. A subtle chrome strip runs along the lowered doors, giving the SUV a premium touch. At the rear, the XC90 gets a refreshed look with sleeker vertical LED taillights that seamlessly integrate into the body. The new dynamic light animation adds a modern flair. The rear bumper is now more sculpted, featuring a dual-tone finish and hidden exhaust outlets, emphasizing Volvo's push towards sustainable and electrified mobility. A panoramic glass roof extends towards the tail, adding an element of openness and luxury. The XC90 has been a symbol of luxury SUVs since its debut in 2002. The 2025 model carries forward this legacy with improved aerodynamics and an optimized chassis, making it more efficient and dynamic on the road. With Volvo's latest hybrid and electric powertrain options, the XC90 ensures a powerful yet sustainable driving experience. That's a wrap on the exterior deep dive of the 2025 Volvo XC90. What do you think of its design evolution? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned to Auto Explorer for more in-depth reviews. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.